my chosen office. Comes with the backyard water scene and reflection of sunrise. Ah, so pretty. And a road. Because in life, all things come with roads. You can take the road taken by many, or you can take the road taken by not many. Either road will get you someplace, is the general philosophy in life. Because either road will get you someplace. But one road will get you the place you want to go. And one road will get somebody else the place they wanted to go. And I learned that lesson 43 years later. And it's a hard lesson to learn that late in life. I recommend you write a list of things you want and make sure you get them. Because if you don't, you only have you to blame is what society's going to say. Doesn't matter. They used all of your energy. You let them. And then they're going to say, you let us. So it's not on us. That's not the type of vibe you want to carry. Not at all. It gives you a heart attack at work. So, it's better just to take time out and appreciate the facts of life, which are you can pick things. I picked to go on a walk this evening, it's 8 o'clock, so that I could look at the sun reflecting in a little bit of water. And that's what I do for peace. And I find it's very peaceful, actually. Except for there's birds. They gotta keep chirping in the background. We're gonna talk to those birds one of these times. They might flip me the bird. Ooh, flapping the wings.